Come test drive the 2008 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, security system, trip computer, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, power driver's seat. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.